So yeah, this is the Britannia Hotel at Canary Wolf, as I said earlier. It's a double room, would you say? Double room? Just munching away.
Sorry, we didn't have any lunch.
Sorry, is it a double room?
I think so.
I said it's a double bed, mind the mess, sorry. We've just got unpacked to change for tonight. We're in a rush, as usual. But not a bad sized room, to be fair, for what it is. It's a decent sized room. Nice little desk area, mirrors, nice little coffee table with 2 little chairs. Quite nice sized bed, looks comfy. 2 bedside cabinets, which is brilliant because I don't always get one. The lady here does, but I don't, but hey. So yeah, we're just getting ready to enjoy our evening. Where are we going next? Find somewhere to eat, probably. So where?
Party.
Oh, you're gonna party. Okay. Good. Like to party. She likes to party. So yeah, from what I saw on the photos, it looks quite old-fashioned, but to be fair, this room isn't too bad, to be fair. You know, we asked for a city view. Well,
A river view.
we asked for a river view, it didn't come with a city view and a river view. I don't think they've built the river yet. Because, I open this one up. Yeah, got caught in the window. I'm caught in the window. Yeah. Where's my river? Show me the river. I can't see it. But it's only for one night. So we thought, yeah, it'll be fine. We can stay here. Of another hotel. So yeah. We are gonna get ready and go out. TV fixed to the wall, doesn't actually move at all, so you've got to watch it in that position. Not so good when you're in bed. But hey ho. 3 drawers with 1 waste paper bin. I thought, oh good, I've got an extra plug socket. No, it hasn't. That plug socket is way too small for a normal plug. Not so good. Might have to unplug the TV. How's that fair? Or unplug the kettle. Could unplug the kettle actually later on. But tea, coffee, sugar, 2 cups. We bought some hot chocolate and I bought my own coffee. Anyway, as I say, got a nice mirror. The wings. Ah, do move. Okay. Oh, the wings do move. Ooh. I didn't expect them to actually move. I thought they were going to fix the wall. That's quite cool. That's good. Push that back again. We come through here. We have the bathroom. Not too bad. Singular sink. Little toiletries. Massive mirror. Hi! Disney. Yeah, all your towels and things are on there. And then we've got shower or bathtub. Quite standard. More toweling. Yeah, should be good for one night. Interesting. Plugs up a bit grim, but okay. Sure, be fine. So yeah, let's say we're mind the step. We're gonna get ready and we're gonna end the vlog here actually because I'm not sure what we're gonna do next.
It's a surprise.
So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed our Disney experience. It was definitely an experience for us. Stay tuned for a merchandise vlog where we show you what we bought at the experience.
Yeah, and it hurt our bank balance.
It definitely hurt our bank balance and also my back to carry it all. Yeah. So, from us two.
I'm up.
Oh, she's up. Oh, good. Right. Bye for now.
Bye.